Volleyball, not all power as you can see and as vividly, put together by Ateneo that time. Ilang puntos na rin yung nakikita natin, kalakasan yung palo ng Ateneo. They just find a good strategy, the open holes in the defense of UST and score easily,
That's right. Ang nangyayari, nakapako yung paa ng depensa ng UST and they're unable to adjust with the offensive attacks of Ateneo.
Now, can you credit that to Ateneo's style, yung paghanap ng butas, or to the lack of movement ng depensa ng Uste?
I think it works both ways. Credit Ateneo because they've done an excellent job in attacks. But apart from that, I think nahihirapan din yung UST basahin yung atake.
Good swipe by Reyes. They go to the other side. Speaking of UST. Reyes again. Blocked.
We get blocked.
Di Makulangan. Reyes.
Oh,
beautiful.
Down the line attack. And she knows that she can let the ball go through the shorter blocker on the side of Ateneo. Down the line.
UST inching back ahead. 17-16. Set number 2. Ortiz.
Violation.
Interference. Lastimoso.
Take a look at ito yung mga shirts na sinasabi ko kanina,
Oh, yeah.
And some of these souvenirs that you can purchase. And so far, puro Ateneo lang ang available dito. But hopefully you can see some of the other teams as well. But if you want them, as far as I know, they're available during game days, volleyball game days here at the arena in San Juan. That's Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Ewan ko lang kung walang laro Ateneo, baka wala rin yan.
I don't know, but I'm sure yung mga Ateneo fans dyan, nakabili na ng mga souvenirs nila from Ateneo.
Kainglet through the block.
Kainglet scoring despite the blockers of USD. 18-all, set number 2. Very tight one. And it feels like this one's going down the wire. Ateneo, one set already in the bag. 25-16 over USD in set number 1. Valdez. Good recovery.
Oh, miscommunication there. And this is the problem. This is one thing that you see. Nahihirapan yung depensa ng USD to really read the ball coming from Ateneo.
Again, see Ferrer displaying flashes of brilliance with that touch on the ball, sending it to the backcourt of USD and gaining the point and the advantage for the Lady Eagles. 19-18. Oh, combination play finished by Nakachi. Beautiful.
That's Valdez and Nakachi. Nakachi going for the quick set, and then Valdez comes from the back.
That's right. I stand corrected. It was Valdez who finished that time. We have a timeout to listen to USD.
Ikaw naman, atras ka ng atras. Basic pattern natin sa combination block yan Rhea, binibitawan mo yung mga depensa dito. Kaya mo kunin Tumulong ka. Ikaw naka-receive, pwede silang mag-set. Ha? Maliban na lang sa chance ball. Pero pagka-depensahan, humarang ka, tumulong ka. Sige. One good receive. Ikaw mag-serve na tapos, ha? Pag ikaw mag-serve na
Defensive adjustments ang binanggit ni new head coach Oji Mamon of UST dito.
2 points up for the Lady Eagles.
Because napansin niya nga medyo marami-raming butas na pinapasukan yung mga bola ng Ateneo.
Well, let's see if UST can adjust in terms of defense. Of course, something that they badly need at this point.
A solid block at the net by Ateneo, but there is a touch.
Lucky break there for UST, of course. They will need all the points that they can get.
Team captain, Rhea Di Makulangan.
Rhea Di Makulangan.
One of the best servers that we have here in the UAAP.
Oh, wow, what a tough setup there made by Ferrer. Manatikla, though, on top of the ball. Kita-kita.
This is a good rotation for UST. Look at that.
Great timing on the part of Panatikla.
Makulangan.
20 all. Valdez, smart play.
Making
Valdez
it look
leads the
so
move.
easy.
Lady Eagles up by 1.
Yun na yung sinasabi ni Coach Oji Mamon, ano, na they need to make some adjustments when it comes to defense because looking at that, it was a simple drop ball but no one was there to cover.
Medyo kapos yung habol that time ni Lastimosa, number 6 of Ateneo. Coming in too late there as Ateneo goes up ahead, 22-20. Let's listen to USD again.
Pero nandun ka naman, di ba? Sana ko wala ka dun. One more step, angkat niya. Tayo, sila po, pala tayo buwa-block. Pag na-block natin, may coverage sila. Ngayon naman, pag sila naman ang umatake, na-block na coverage, i-atake ulit. Tayo, pag umatake, mag-coverage din kayo. Ha?
Ball tayo, first ball. Seconds! Win!
Sige, talon ng talon si Alay.
Number 12. Jem Pereira.
Part of the instructions to Panatikla and I guess the rest of the team na humabol lang sa depensa. I mean, they're 2 steps, 3 steps away yung bola and sometimes we let it go, according to Coach Mamon. Well, that's been what UST's been doing so far here in the second set. Medyo panay habol. They've had the lead at 1 point, pero by a very, very short time only.
This he steps back in.
Serving. Number 6, Pam Lastimosa.
It's a more solid front line dito, no? And sorry.
That's right.
We have Caballero, Ortiz, and Panatikla, no? Sa harap.
And so far, things are going well for them as we see a substitution here for UST.
Karangan will check in for Lastimosa.
3, Karangan in.
22 all. I believe she's one of their service specialists, ano? To si Karangan from last season pa.
And of course, itong si Coach Oji fields her in to help with the defense as well.
Panatikla. Good defense by Karangan that time. She kept the ball alive.
Oh,
Oh, but speaking of defense, both teams tenacious. Oh, Micah Ortiz.
that was actually mistimed. She was already on her way down when she touched the ball.
Barely
Still a point.
grazing. Oh, the ball, of course.
Look at this. Nauna pababa na siya when she touched the ball. But yung pagka-mistimed nung approach siya actually gave them that point.
Napaganda pa, no? Let's listen to Coach Gorayev this time of Ateneo.
Oh, medyo pumasok ng 3. Sige, hayaan nyo na yan. Tayo mo-open sa hall, tayo. Sige. Kasi pagka gano'n, gamit, herbihis. Hindi yung basta mapalo mo lang yung bola. Malaki blocking mo eh. Ha? Coverage yung maigi. Huwag yung sayangin ha. Madami natin kami.
Disappointment on the voice of Coach Gorayev. Obviously, he didn't want at this point of the game na UST pa ang lumamang 23-22.
1
Of
point
course,
up
and
for the
kung
Lady
may goal
Tigers.
yung Ateneo, it would have to be to finish the game in straight sets.
Karangan.
And so far, itong adjustment na ginawa ng UST has really worked for them, except again, for their defense.
Tied at 23.
That's the advantage you get, I guess, when you have a Valdez in your team. Nakita pa lang nilang palapit sa net si Valdez o matras na lahat ng players, ano?
That's right. And itong si Valdez, one thing that you'll notice also when she approaches, last minute, she can actually change what she will do. One moment, iisipin mo, she will attack the ball. Pero last minute, biglang drop pala. And she doesn't change her approach. I mean, it's the same approach for everything that she does.
Another long rally here, but a poor second touch from Uste.
Lady Eagles.
And Ateneo
Set point.
reclaims the lead and are at 7. point to go up 2-0 against USD.
Service. Nakachi.
USD looking to save the set point. Kainglet looking to finish. Great save by Karangan. Here comes Banatikla.
Karangan doing an excellent job defending for USC.
Camallejo overhits and goes wide. USD coming up short again, but they're a lot closer to the end this time, but still not good enough as they lose set number 2 to Ateneo 25-23, and the Lady Eagles up 2-0 against the Tigresses.